How's it going, everybody? I just figured while I had this bike clean, I'd go ahead and kind of do a little walk around of it and talk about some of my favorite things, some of the key elements. So this is my 1980 XS650 Chopper. I finished it late last year, and yeah, I've just been kind of riding it around, taking it to shows, and just overall having fun with it. It's a bike I've always wanted to do, and this thing's pretty killer. It's actually a very, very simple bike. It's a TC Bros hardtail, and then with that I fabricated the seat pan, had it upholstered by my guy Rich Phillips, but it's got a lowbrow rear fender on there. I think it's like the Mako or something like that. It's got the rib in the middle, but beyond that, it's actually stock lower forks, stock wheels, just a +4 front end. Got an old school headlight I found at a swap meet in here. And then, believe it or not, these are the stock bars, cut, flipped side to side, and re-welded to some sockets I used as like a bushing within the stock triples here. Then the obvious one is actually this Honda ATC 90 tank, and this is a fun little gag. We started out, I had this ATC in the garage or in the shop, moving things around. I set the tank on this frame just for fun. And then kind of just snowballed from there. We ended up making it work, so I narrowed it like 5 inches, and you can see the weld seams down the middle, and it's got a new tunnel in it. And the cool thing with this one, you notice you don't see the mounts on it. So what I did is I actually sunk them in underneath. You probably won't be able to see this, but there's two bolts that are ran straight up in through the frame. All solid bushings in there, and that supports the tank, keeps it on and keeps it clean. Beyond that, yeah, I made the pipes, real simple. I rebuilt the motor. There's no real new parts in it other than maybe like a clutch and you know, gaskets and seals and that, but repolished everything and just checked the ring gap, gave it a quick ball hone, and yeah. Out back we have a Avon, I think it's a 5.1 on a 16, old school Speedmaster. Gives it that old school profile along with the Speedmaster front. And then yeah, it's got a Hughes permanent PMA kit in there, the Mosfet regulator, and then I have the an electronic ignition. I can't think of who it is right now, but real simple bike, a lot of fun to ride. It's just a good time. But yeah, I figured while I was here, I had it cleaned up for a show I just got back from. I'd do the walk around and tell you guys what's up. But you'll definitely see more videos of this thing in the future as I ride it and just play around with it, and I might make a change here and there. But it's a good time. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Stick around.